Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about the AMD Radeon RX 470, especially the single fan XFX version. Some highlights: it comes with HDR ready, AMD FreeSync, DirectX 12 and FinFET 14. Let's get straight to the content of the box. It comes in a cardboard box, which has a pretty good design. Inside we get a driver CD, installation guide, a 4-pin to 6-pin power cable, and lastly, the card, nothing else. Let's get those plastic off fast. It's not as beautiful as other 2 or 3 fan video cards, but this matte black color is simple and awesome. The backside is matte black as well, including the XFX logo. It has 4GB 256-bit GDDR5 memory with 2048 stream processors, 1226 MHz core clock and 7000 MHz effective memory clock. If we are talking about the compatibilities, it comes with 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and 1 dual-link DVI. In my following video, I'm gonna do a benchmark in some games and I will do a comparison with my old GPU. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and I'm sure we will meet next time.